What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to recover deleted Telegram account. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you one thing. If you have already deleted your Telegram account or you haven't deleted it, let me show you how to do it. Just head over to the three dots icon, and once you are there, just go to the settings option and then click on the search icon and search for delete my account. And here you will find a lot of options to delete your account. And once you delete your Telegram, it will not be deleted just right away. Just Telegram will allow you 30 days buffer time, and within 30 days, if you change your mind in case, so you might want to log into your account then, right? So all you need to do is just then to log in to your specific account with your phone number and the verification code that will Telegram send you to that specific number with via SMS. So after that, so this is the information I needed to share with you. So all you need to know that if you have deleted your account within 30 days and the 30 days limit is already going on, it is not over yet, then feel free that your account is not deleted yet. You can just log in right away, and with the general possibility of logging into an account. And if the 30 days time limit is over, unfortunately your Telegram account is deleted for forever. So you just need to open an account of with your number again. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.